Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Microsoft Teams error 657RX. So, if you've ever run into Microsoft Teams error 657RX, I've got a few ways that actually help me fix it. First off, this usually happens because Teams cache gets corrupted, so clearing it is a solid starting point. Make sure Teams is completely closed, then press Windows plus R, type this in, and hit OK. Inside that folder, just delete everything. This forces Teams to rebuild a fresh cache. If you're nervous about losing anything, you can move the files elsewhere, but usually deleting works fine. Then reopen Teams and try signing in. If that doesn't do it, the next step is reinstalling. Go to your apps, uninstall Teams, delete leftover folders, then download the latest version. Another tip is checking your credential manager. Search for it, open Windows Credential, and remove entries related to Microsoft Teams, Office, or login.microsoft.com. Restart your computer and log back in. Doing these steps usually clears up error 657RX and gets Teams running smoothly again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.